welcome back everyone, Mike here. Now this may be a bit of a stretch, but I think we've had more nice days so far this year than we did all of last year. It's got to be close. I'm telling you what, it is just beautiful out. It's not real warm, but the sun's shining again. Really nice day here in Pennsylvania. Just got home from work a few minutes ago. I'm going to get on the RK37 and take the Landscape Rake down to the brick house and start cleaning up some of those sticks down there. If you saw the last couple videos, I cleared a bunch of big dead trees down there, and there are thousands and thousands of sticks all through the yard. So I'm going to take the tractor down there. I don't think I'll get it all done tonight, but we'll at least put a dent in it. And then I'm going to come back up and probably go down by the pond there and pick up some firewood poles that I cut the other day. Put that video up above, and I'll haul them up to the yard. I think they're calling for a little bit of rain this weekend. Nothing bad. But if I get some of that wood up here, I'll be able to do something this weekend. But anyway, I got about an hour and a half before it's pitch dark, so I'm going to get busy. There goes Melissa driving the new truck. She seems to be driving that quite a bit lately and leaving her Jeep in the garage. I may have lost that too. But anyways, you can see this is just after a few passes. This is going to work out pretty well. It's just going to take some time. If you notice, when I was using that rake, once you start up here, it cleans it really nice. But as it, as the rake loads up and you get down that way a little bit, it doesn't pick it up as well, which, kind of figured that. So it's like anything else. You just kind of take your time, keep hitting it, and it'll come out pretty well, I think. Some of these here, big pieces, I'll have to root out with the grapple. Ones like this. But yeah, I'm going to get busy. Tell you what, that's coming along pretty well. Another evening or two down here with that rake, and this will be ready to put the seed to it. I only got about 35-40 minutes in this so far. This granite grapple works really well, not only for carrying logs and brush and things like that, but for digging those roots out. I'm starting to get those teeth shined up a little bit. I'm going to plan on coming back down here tomorrow evening if the weather keeps cooperating like it is. But right now I'm going to head up to the house, go down by the pond there and bring up some of those firewood poles up to the yard. And by that time it'll be about dark and time for dinner and time to shut her down for the day. So that was a pretty good evening. This is elm, cherry, elm, cherry, cherry, cherry. So the other day I mentioned in a video that there's a lot of people that watch this channel that have never commented before. So I asked, you know, if you never made a comment before, to please comment below. Let me know where you're from and how things are going in your part of the world. And there was a ton of new people, and it was really cool seeing where everybody's from. So let's keep that up. If you know, you've been here for a while, or even if you're new to the channel, let us know in the comments where you're from. We do our best to answer comments. I have been really slacking lately though, but I've been busy, you know, here and making a lot of videos. But we read every comment, and we're gonna get a little bit better at that if we can. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.